Hi everyone, welcome to InterviewPro. In the last video, we have seen how to implement concurrency at a workflow level. In this video, let's see how to implement it at job level with an example. I have opened the workflow build angular.yml and this is how we implemented our concurrency in a previous example. So let me edit this. We want this concurrency at job level. So I have only single job build Angular. Let me add another job. I'll copy the same steps. I'll name this job as deploy Angular. And this job has only one step called sleep. Just to show you how the concurrency works, I'm just adding this step so that it sleeps for 10 seconds and gives us a feel that it's taking some time doing some processing. So if I use concurrency above jobs, this concurrency will be applied on both the build Angular and deploy Angular jobs. But I want this concurrency to be applied at a job level. So let me cut this from here and put it at the job level. So above steps, I have added concurrency because this is built. The group name is CI. Let me go to deploy Angular, do the same thing, paste concurrency logic above steps because this is deploy. I'm putting it as deploy. And let's not put cancel in progress as true. Let's put it as false. Later, we'll come back and update it to true. Now I'm committing the changes for the first time. This will trigger a workflow. Now I'll make another change um, and commit workflow. If I go to view runs, we'll see two workflows triggered and the second workflow is waiting. If we look at this, it's not the workflow that is waiting, but the jobs in the workflow are waiting. So build Angular is waiting for build Angular in the previous job. So if I click on build Angular, it will take me to the code that is making it wait. Deploy Angular has already completed. So that's why in this job, deploy Angular already started running and it completed. So ideally, when we have build and deploy jobs in the same workflow, we want to establish a job dependency because we cannot deploy unless build is completed. So let me add needs keyword here and provide the name of the job, which is build Angular and commit the changes. Now what happens is build Angular will be run first and then deploy Angular will be running. But we have a concurrency rule applied, so let's see how it works. I will be triggering this twice. So let me trigger it again. Commit changes, commit again. Go to view runs. We should see two workflows. So this workflow, if I open it, it's running the build Angular. So if I go back and open the latest workflow, it says it's waiting for build Angular. Once build Angular is complete, it will say that it will be waiting for deploy Angular job. So let's wait for build Angular. Let me go from here. So we are in workflow number 49 and it's building. It is sleeping for 10 seconds. Now it has uploaded the artifacts and it's almost complete. So let's go back and open the latest workflow, which is build Angular. So here build Angular is running now. It's not giving, it's waiting for deploy Angular because it hasn't come to this step yet. So it doesn't know if there is a concurrency rule declared here or not. So if I open this, it's sleeping for 10 seconds and it will complete. But the deploy job in the previous is already completed, so we won't see the concurrency for deploy Angular. Now, let's go back and update cancel in progress to true. So I'll update this to true and this one to true. Let's make the sleep as 40 seconds so that, or 60 seconds, so that we see the banner there. I'm committing it for the first time. I'll make some other change so that we have another workflow waiting or cancelled. So if I go to actions, we see two workflows. The first workflow 51 is in progress. The second is queued. Let's wait for a few seconds to see what happens. So this workflow is cancelled and the latest workflow is about to be in progress. Because we made the cancel in progress as true, it has cancelled the build Angular job. We can see there is a higher priority waiting and the new job is triggered and build Angular is running. So this is how you can set concurrency at workflow level and at job level based on your requirement. I hope the concept is clear. If you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe to Interview Pro. Thank you.